the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. All praise be to Allah. Dear brothers and sisters, may peace be upon you all. Welcome to another session in the simplified instruction of Arabic and Quran. This lesson is going to be also for those who will be teaching this book in the future, inshallah, where we shall talk about the outlets of Arabic alphabet. Let us begin. The first outlet is called Al-Jawf. It is the empty space between mouth and throat. It has one outlet for 3 letters. These letters are called mad letters, and they are consonant alif that comes after a letter that is pronounced with the haraka of fatha, where it shall be pronounced as follows: consonant waw that comes after a letter that is pronounced with the haraka of dhamma, where it shall be pronounced as oo. Consonant ya that comes after a letter which is pronounced with the haraka of kasra, where we shall pronounce it as e. The outlet of Al-Jawf is only for these 3 letters, or as we call them, mad letters. The second outlet is called Al-Halq, or as we say in English, the throat, where there are 3 outlets: Aqsa Al-Halq, or distal throat; Wasat Al-Halq, or the middle of the throat; Adna Al-Halq, the proximal throat. From the distal throat, 2 letters are spelled, and they are Hamza, Ha. From the middle of the throat, 2 other letters are spelled, and they are Ayn, Ha. From the proximal throat, 2 letters are spelled, and they are Ghayn, Kha. The third outlet is called Al-Lissan, or the tongue. 18 letters are spelled out of this outlet, where there are 4 separate outlets in the tongue. The first outlet is called Aqsa Al-Lissan, or the distal tongue. Then we have Wasat Al-Lissan, the middle of the tongue. Then Hafatai Al-Lissan, or the 2 sides of the tongue. And at last we have Al-Lissan, or the front tip of the tongue. From the distal tongue, 2 letters are spelled, and they are Qaf, Kaf. From the middle of the tongue, 3 other letters are spelled, and they are Deem, Ya, and it is not the Ya of Al-Mad. Then we have Sheen. From the 2 sides of the tongue, 2 letters are spelled, and they are Dad, Lam. The front tip of the tongue has 4 outlets. From the first outlet in the front tip of the tongue, 3 letters are spelled, and they are Lam, Noon, Ra. And with this very point, we shall pay attention that Lam is articulated from the nearest part of the sides of the tongue, as it is for the letter of Dad, and it also uses the front tip of the tongue. Then we have an outlet for 3 letters, and they are Ta, Ta, Dal, and another outlet for also another 3 letters, and they are Sad, Sin, Zai. We also have another outlet for another 3 letters, and they are Dha, Tha, Dhal. The fourth outlet is called Al-Shafatan, or the two lips, where there are two outlets for 4 letters. One outlet for the letter of Fa, and another outlet for 3 letters, and they are Waw, which is not the Waw of Mad, Mim, and Ba. The fifth outlet is called Al-Khayshum, or the nasal cavity. It is a hole in the nose continuing to the inside of the mouth. This outlet is the source of the sound of Ghunna, and Ghunna is a sound produced without any influence from the tongue. The sound is special for only 2 letters, and they are Mim, Noon. If you keep your nose closed, you will never be able to produce the sound of Ghunna. Until here, we shall have our lesson done. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.